Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
Wrist braces protect, stabilize, and support your wrists in a natural position, which helps limit movement. Watch on to take a look at 5 of the best wrist braces available. You'll learn about their benefits, tips for use, and what to look for when shopping. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, Compubrace Night Wrist Sleep Support Brace. The Compubrace Night Wrist Brace is sturdy, supportive, and durable, yet comfortable enough to wear while you're sleeping. The brace helps prevent you from placing your wrist under your body while you sleep. It provides compression and padding to elevate nighttime discomfort and features cushioned beads on palm that molds to the shape of your hand and help keep it in position. Expertly designed to provide gentle pressure support with precision, this wrist brace uses a removable palmar splint and strategically placed straps to provide the instant relief you crave. Number 2. Copper Compression Recovery Waist Brace. The Copper Compression Wrist Brace offers stability and can improve comfort if you have tendonitis, arthritis, or CTS. It offers compression and protects your wrist so that you can rest, heal, and recover. The adjustable brace limits movement so you don't exacerbate pain, yet it provides enough range of motion for daily movements. The brace is ambidextrous and available in 2 sizes. The Copper Compression Wrist Brace features copper-infused fabric with antimicrobial properties that may prevent odor and is comfortable enough to wear around the clock. Number 3. Compubrace Premium Lined Wrist Brace. The Compubrace Day Wrist Brace features an ambidextrous, adjustable design that fits a range of hand and wrist sizes. The brace elevates discomfort, pain, and irritation from repetitive movements. The lightweight design provides support and stability without restricting mobility, which gives you the flexibility to perform similar activities. The hand brace is ideal for those suffering from carpal tunnel syndrome, arthritis, and tendonitis, or for those that need support of their weak and post-cast wrists. The hand splint is very easy to use. You can forget about the hassle of wasting time and energy trying to wear your wrist brace. Number 4. Vive Carpal Tunnel Wrist Brace. The Vive Carpal Tunnel Wrist Brace is an inexpensive yet high-quality option that comfortably stabilizes and protects your wrist while alleviating pain and swelling. The brace is made of lightweight, breathable material to provide comfort. Comfortable for nighttime use or use throughout the day. The dual wrist splint is constructed from a lightweight neoprene blend. The adjustable ambidextrous design features supportive metal splints that you can remove if you require more movement or flexibility. Moisture wicking and breathable, the latex-free blend ensures the hand and wrist remain cool and dry. Number 5. FUTURO Comfort Stabilizing Wrist Brace. The FUTURO Comfort Stabilizing Wrist Brace features a low-cut design that stabilizes your wrist while providing hand and finger mobility. This can make it ideal if you need a certain level of support and freedom of movement for workers. It's made of breathable, lightweight material to help provide all-day comfort. The reversible design features 3 Velcro straps and an adjustable palmar splint.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.